What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Curry udon is a perfect one-pot meal with a rich and spicy flavor. And curry is not originated from Japan. However, it has been bounced around from India to every part of the world and assimilated into the local culinary culture wherever it settles. And there was no exception when curry arrived in Japan. It's merged with the local dashi and udon, resulting in the one-of-a-kind Japanese curry udon noodles. Now, although it sounds complicated with dashi and curries, it is a quick and easy noodle recipe ideal for busy weeknights. So here's my recipe for the Japanese curry udon. Let's get started. These noodles can be served with any proteins of your choice. I'm using chicken thigh meat, but you can use chicken breast, you can use beef, pork, or even shrimp. Let's season the chicken with some salt and pepper. Cut the spring onion into thin rings. And onion into thin slices. Some carrots. A packet of shimeji mushrooms. And the most important ingredient for this recipe is a Japanese curry. This is the Japanese curry roux. It comes in the form of cubes and it comes in different spiciness. I'm using the medium strength today, which is not very spicy. And the udon, the Japanese fresh udon. I'm using the fresh udon today. If you don't have the fresh udon, you can use the dry version, which should be available in any Japanese or Asian supermarkets. As I mentioned in the beginning, the broth for the noodles comprises of the curry and the dashi. You can make the dashi, that is the soup stock, from scratch. If you're interested to know how to make it from scratch, I have a link in the description below this video, where if you follow the link, it will lead you to another video on how to make it from scratch. A more convenient way is to use the dashi granule, the store-bought dashi granule, to make the stock. Today I'm using the granule to make the stock, and the ratio is 1 packet of granule to 1 cup of water. Bring a pot of water to a boil and then cook the noodles in the water for about a minute. Loosen the noodles. Drain away the water and set aside. Heat some oil in a pan and then saute the onions until it caramelized. That's going to give you a sweet umami taste. When the onion has turned color slightly, put it aside. Add a little bit of oil. And now include the chicken. After the chicken is cooked, add the shimeji mushrooms, the carrots, season with some soy sauce, some mirin, and a bit of sake. You may also add some tomato or potatoes if you like. Now add the dashi stock to the pot and bring it to a boil. When it returns to a boil, you use a wire mesh strainer to remove the scum that is floating on top. Just want to make sure that you get a clean broth. Let's add the curry cube to the pan, but I prefer to put it in a ladle first. Add a little bit of dashi into the ladle and make sure that the curry cube is fully dissolved, fully disintegrate before I put it back into the pan. Okay. Let's do a taste test. It's just nice, so I don't need to add any other things, except I would like to add just a little bit of sesame oil. So let me switch off the stove, add just a little bit of sesame oil to enhance the taste. And the curry is ready. Transfer the udons to a serving bowl. And then ladle the soup and all the ingredients on top. Garnish with some chopped spring onion to serve. That's how to make Japanese curry udon. It's quick and easy. And it is very versatile. You can change the chicken to beef, to pork, to shrimp if you want, and also the vegetables. You can add some potatoes, tomatoes, or anything that you like. And if you want to get a recipe, I've included it in the description below the video. Don't forget, subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again in some other recipe. Bye for now.